And once again, we are the Sweet Blend Band, Mr. Narvi Dasaria and Mr. and Mrs. Starda Duo. And of course, happy birthday po, Ma'am Rosie and Ma'am Gina. And we have also the Alia Sisters, dancers from Rosario, La Union. Dance for all.
Ulitin po namin, wag lang sanang manatili sa mga kinaupuan. Lahat tayo sumayaw, umay tayo sumala. Wag dyan sa likod, dito sa gitna. Alright. Pero ganado, I love the energy right there, madam. Thank you so much. Alright, at any corners, pwede kayong sumayaw. Everybody, let's go! Pulse! Alright, there you go. Tarin ni Ma'am Venus, ha? Ganado, ha? Oo, parang hindi na ako namumahal ni Ma'am Venus.
Away with the downing and let me here all alone. Left me to pine for my darling that once was my own. Born sailing on high, please shine down with your light. Moon shining on high, where is my darling tonight? Oh, send her my love, tell her I'm pining away, waiting in old Oklahoma, in hoping she'll come back someday.
Alright, first Team Cyprus. Dalawa lang po yung Team Cyprus natin. Alright. Well, maybe also have Team Greece. Alright, yung mga guests pa natin from Greece, come on, join us also here.
Moon sailing on high, please shine down with your light. Moon shining on high, where is my darling tonight? Go send her my love, tell her I'm pining away, waiting in old Oklahoma, in hoping she'll come back someday. Waiting in old Oklahoma, in hoping she'll come back someday. Yan sa people dancing po. Another waltz.
Katulad ko sa iyo, biro-biro ang simula, ang wakas pala ay ano. Aayaw-ayaw pa ako, ngunit yan ay di totoo. Dahil sa iyo, puso kong ito'y binihag mo. Katakang maibang katulad ko sa iyo, biro-biro ang simula, ang wakas pala ay ano. Aayaw-ayaw pa ako, ngunit yan ay di totoo. Dahil sa iyo, puso kong ito'y binihag mo. Alaala ka, maging gabi't araw, alipinin mo't walang kailangan. Marinig ko lang sa labi mo hirap, na ako'y iibigin lagi habang buhay. At nakatakang mahibang ang katulad ko sa iyo. Biro-biro ang simula, ang wakas wala ay ano. Ayaw-ayaw pa ako, ngunit yan ay di totoo. Dahil sa iyo, puso kong ito'y binihag mo. Alala ka, maging gabi't araw, alipinin mo't walang kailangan. Marinig ko lang sa labi mong hirap na ako'y iibigin lagi habang buhay. Alaala ka, maging gabi't araw, alipinin mo't walang kailangan. Marinig ko lang sa labi mo hirap na ako'y iibigin lagi habang buhay.
There you go! Once again, maraming salamat sa lahat po ng mga magiliw na sumayaw. What a best way to start this celebration together, of course, with our amazing band, Sweet Blend Band. Grabe yun, ano? What a warm-up at grabe yung mga dancers natin, ano? Only few dancers ang nakikita ko talaga na sila talaga yung kumukuha ng mga guests natin para sumayaw. I'd like to commend the dancers, ano? So again, as we get to continue to tone up this celebration, isang mumuling sayaw po muna tayo para sa gayoy lahat tayo mas ganahan. Maya-maya to welcome our dearest celebrators. So this time, ibang genre naman po tayo. Let's get to have this time Cha-Cha. Alright, we'd like to invite again from Greece, from Cyprus, from Sweden, from Santa Cruz. Siyempre, lahat-lahat ng gustong sumayaw. Dito tayo sa gitna.
Okay. Cha-Cha!
Let's go!
Comme ça, para completar el amor.
Come on, huwag kayong
Esa
mahihiya. This one is for all of you guys. Kaya naman, let's go, let's dance.
Comme ça, para completar el amor.
Yes, there you go.
Esa holiday in Paris. Sunday afternoon, waiting a French bar, evening walk by moon. So we were dancing on the music, and I was waiting for my chance. I only didn't understand me when he said in French, comment ça va? Comme ça, para completar el amor. Esa la nuestra estación. Como ça va? Comme ça, para completar el amor. Esa la nuestra estación.
Sigue cha-cha-cha. Carmelita. Let me kiss and hold you tight. My son, because I'm affection from your direction, that I'm turned light. Let me love you, Carmelita. You don't know what I go through. It's the fun the way I'm person. My heart is bursting with love for you. Did your mother ever tell you that it isn't right to kiss? I'm afraid you're a woman. It's only human to always please. Let me love you, Carmelita. Just one tender kiss and then I will bet my bottom pass out. And you will say so. We'll kiss again. Yeah. Bilibak na ganito kalantak. Mayat. Papapati na rin, papapati na.
Ayan.
Wow. Sige, sana. Malay nyo, the preview na tayo na kalingan na sumala. Wow. Kita anda sino kita kalingan. Wow. Did your mother ever tell you that it isn't right to kiss? I'm a man, you're a woman. It's only human to want to squeeze.
Cha-cha.
Love you, Carmelita. Just one tender kiss and then tira. I will bet my bottom pass out. I always say so. What is again? Let me love you, Carmelita. Just one tender kiss and then I will bet Carmelita. I would have to break again. Okay, here we go. One more cha-cha. Kaya pa?
Cha-cha.
Okay. Mayatan. Yung saktong tao lumakan tayo. Here we go.
Oh, Carol.
Okay.
I'm about to fool. Darling, I love
Tira lang ba?
you.
Libre nyo na naman.
Though you treat me cold, you hurt me, and you make me cry. But if you leave me, I will surely die.
Let's go.
Darling, there will never be another, 'cause I love you so. Don't ever leave me. Say you'll never go. I will always search for my sweetheart, my darling, my honey, no matter what you do.
No matter what you do.
Oh, darling, I'm so in love with you. Oh,
Oh, girl. Ano pa na mood? I love you. You treat me good, baby. You hurt me. Yeah, you make me cry. But if you leave me, I will show you down. Let's go.
darling, there will never be another, 'cause I love you so. Don't ever leave me. Say you'll never
Hey,
go.
tagalan ko sa mga
I
abaan.
will always search you for my sweetheart, my darling, my honey, no matter what you do.
Energy.
Oh, darling, I'm so in love with you. Cha-cha-cha.
Yes, and now that is what we call energy. Grabe yung energy ng singer natin. Nag-reciprocate sa mga guests natin, ano? I just love it, 3 songs sa isang sayawan. Maraming salamat to those who delightfully join us with that dance cha-cha. As it is time, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to ask all of our guests to please join us also here. Mangyaring manatili lamang po muna tayo sa ating mga kinaupuan. And again, we'd love to have you seated right on your tables right here. Because again, sisimulan lamang po natin few ceremonial parts of this celebration. And of course, we do also prepare a short program for Ma'am Gina and Ma'am Rosie. So again, we'd like to call on lahat-lahat po ng ating mga bisita na nakaupo dito kanina for the mentay or for a moment. Samahan niyo po muna kami because again, we come to the moment where we get to welcome, of course, our dearest celebrators. Once again, dito po tayong lahat sa ating mga lamesa. Those who are still right there at the grazing area. So again, once you already have your foods, pag nakakuha na po tayo ng ating mga treats right there, go back na po tayo, bumalik na po tayo sa ating mga kinaupuan. And also, let me just remind everyone, lalong-lalo na sa mga kakalista pa lamang po ng kanilang mga pangalan, ipapaalala ko pong muli, that is for the raffle draw maya at the end part of this celebration. And again, kapag nabunot po maya-maya ang inyo pong mga pangalan at wala po kayo, mafu-forfeit po ang inyo pong mga prizes. So again, manatili po kayo hanggang sa huling parte ng ating programa. Once again, to all of our guests, we'd love to have you here na nakaupo po dito right after that photo booth. Of course, dito po tayong lahat. We'd love to see na mas madami tayo na mag-gather up dito to welcome our dearest celebrators. And again, sa mga bisita po natin na naandyan, I know that you are enjoying those delightful treats prepared by of course, by our celebrators. We have our bar station right there, seafood station, grazing area, and everybody is enjoying indeed our photo booth station. And our celebrators are really ready. Handang-handa na po sila actually. Kaya naman, lahat tayo manatili na sa ating mga kinupuan. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, and so I guess this time we're good to go. So muli once again, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the very moment and of course the very highlight of this celebration. But once again, I would like to greet everyone a pleasant evening. Muli isa pong magandang gabi sa ating lahat. And as we commonly say in our local dialect, may isang naimbag kanagasat, ngarabiing kadatayamin, and welcome to the, of course, a golden celebration of Ma'am Gina and Ma'am Rosie. By the way, my name is John Mark Elgamo Galanto and I'll be your host for this event. At hindi po ba't mas maganda? What a best way is this to start this celebration? Bakit hindi po tayo magbigay ng isang masigabong palakpakan? There you go. What an energy from the crowd. And I know, of course, that as you get to enter here earlier, baon po natin ang ating pagmamahal at suporta to our dearest celebrator. And I'd like to feel more of that. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, this time, iparamdam po natin ang pagmamahal kay Ma'am Gina at Ma'am Rosie sa pamamagitan ng isang malakas na hiyawan! There you go, maraming salamat! Alright, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, muli maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa magino na pagdalo ngayong gabing ito. For it is said, ladies and gentlemen, that the gift of life is probably one of the greatest blessing one could ever have. For of course, we are given another chapter, another chance to be with our family and friends. And most of all, make the most out of the gift of life. And that is the exact reason why we are here this evening. Yan po ang pinaka-eksaktong rason kung bakit po tayo natipon-tipon ngayong gabing ito as we get to celebrate, of course, not just one, but two celebration. Dalawang tao sa isang selebrasyon. Grabe na po ito. So again, as for what I've informed everyone earlier, we are going to double the fun. We are going to double the excitement. Alright, so this time once again, we'd love to have, of course, all of our guests settled right on their chairs right here. Guys, again, mas maigi na mas madami tayo to welcome our dearest celebrators. And of course, gayon pa lamang po, I'd like to personally extend our warmest gratitude as well on behalf of Ma'am Gina and Ma'am Rosie. Lalong-lalo na, of course, sa mga nagbiyahe pa po ng milya-milya. Of course, I know that you've been to a lot of places. We have our guests from Greece. Asan po yung from Greece natin? Magpalakpakan naman po all of our guests from Greece. Palakpakan naman po natin sila, ladies and gentlemen. We'd like also to acknowledge our guests from Sweden. Where are they? Palakpakan din po natin. Thank you so much, madam, for joining us this evening. And also, of course, ang pinaka-energetic nating grupo from Cyprus! Yes! Grabe to, may performance daw sila maya-maya. And we'll get to witness that one in a while. And also, of course, hindi natin pwedeng makalimutan, syempre, ang lahat po ng mga bisita natin ang galing mismo dito kung saan po tayo nagse-celebrate from Barangay Lantag. Magpalakpakan naman po tayo! Yon, maraming salamat. I am seeing, of course, most of our guests most probably ay galing po mismo dito sa Lantag. And again, with all of your presence here tonight, maraming salamat. We couldn't be any grateful seeing all of you here. Napakadami natin. Your number speaks a volume, of course, of your love and support to Ma'am Gina and Ma'am Rosie. Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyo. And later on, we'll get to enjoy as well the, of course, Santos meal prepared by Ma'am Gina and Ma'am Rosie. And that will be in a while. We're just going to enjoy first and give a moment para po sa ating mga celebrator. Alright, is our ready na po ba? Ready na, alright. And so this time, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I guess our celebrators are quite ready as well. So mga kaibigan, I would like you to please direct your attention right at the entrance area. And that is, of course, the door going to the home of our dearest celebrators. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the main reasons why we are gathered here this evening. A resounding round of applause. Let us first welcome Ma'am Rosie. Ladies and gentlemen, a resounding round of applause for Ma'am Rosie. Palakpakan naman po natin. And so I guess, sabay na po ata silang lalabas. Alright, so this time, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a resounding round of applause. Tumayo po tayong lahat as we give our warmest welcome to Ma'am Gina and Ma'am Rosie! Yes, wow! What a way to welcome our celebrators, ladies and gentlemen! Isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan for Ma'am Gina and Ma'am Rosie. Malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan! Grabe, what an entrance it is! We are stunned with the beauty of this zoo. Together with the fireworks display, this celebration will definitely be a bang. Grabe! Alright, it seems like it's 100 shots, ha? Grabe. Alright, right after, of course, our fireworks display, ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to please grab your glasses. Kunin po natin ang ating mga glasses. Itaas po natin, come on. We would like to propose that fill in those glasses, ladies and gentlemen. Fill in those glasses, come on. Lagyan po natin ang ating mga glasses. Again, with a band, we'd like to start it with, of course, a ceremonial toast, which calls indeed for a celebration for this too, syempre. Alright. Everybody, kargahan po natin ang ating mga wine glasses. Let's go. We have our wines right on your tables. You're free to use that. Alright, everybody. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the best way to welcome at the end of that fireworks display with a bang. Alright, we're going to... I can't open this. Alright. Alright. Alright, so once again, let's just open. Wala pa pong wine yung celebrators natin. Alright. There you go, grabe. Apaka-attentive din ng mga guests natin. Alright, everybody, please raise your glasses, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, a toast for a fruitful year ahead of this too, ladies and gentlemen. Let's toast it to one another. Toast and bottoms up. Let's go. Alright, there you go. Ubusin po natin syempre ang ating pong mga wines. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And the excitement and surprises does not ends up there. Ituloy-tuloy na natin ang sorpresa begins tonight as we get to honor this too. They've got also, of course, a person closest to their heart also prepare a gift for our dearest Ma'am Zina. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us first, of course, prior to that, as we are whole, nakatayo na po tayong lahat. Hindi po ba't mas maiging simulan po natin ang ating selebrasyon with the traditional singing of the happy birthday song. At lahat-lahat po tayo sasabay. Ang hindi po sumabay, mapagsasarahan ng buffet area. Alright, together with Sweet Blood Band, let's go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Come on, everybody, let's sing! Yeah, come on! Grabe! We'll sing the happy birthday song. We have a gift for our dearest Gemini and Rossi.
Happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday.
Come on, everybody, louder!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ayan, sasabay-sabay po tayong lahat. Happy birthday to you.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Ma'am Zina and Ma'am Rosie. At grabe naman ang panimulang regalong yan. Binabasa ko at hindi pa din ako makapaniwala. It's 1 million pesos coming from the husband sa Kiros. Palakpakan naman po natin. Grabe, even me, I'm out of words. Grabe yung regalong yun. Can we exchange phrases? Ma'am Zina, ako muna dyan. Alright. And more to go with more. There you go. Showing some love. Grabe. Grabe, unang parte pa lang yan. Bumuhos na kaagad ang biyaya at pagmamahal at suporta to Ma'am Zina and Ma'am Rosie. Maraming salamat. Grabe, at meron pa siyempre, ayan din, siyempre kompleto dapat ang pamilya with their flowers as well. Alright. Grabe kayo. Oo, I've been through a lot of events, but this is superb. 1 billion pesos! Hindi biro yun, ha? Grabe. Alright, so this time, ladies and gentlemen, since nakatayo na din po tayong lahat, this time, of course, it is always best for us to start this celebration with a guidance from up above. So again, for us, of course, for the blessing of our event, we'd like to invite everyone to please remain standing for our opening prayer to be led to us by Mr. Rolly Racuya. Once again, we invite everyone to please remain standing. At muli tinatawagan din po namin Mr. Rolly Racuya to please lead us the prayer. Once again, we'd like to call on Mr. Rolly Racuya. Once again, I'd like to call on Sir Rolly Racuya. Alright, nandito po ba si Sir Rolly? Alright, if you have Sir Rolly here, pakisamahan niyo po kami. Alright, so on his behalf, may we call on Sir Bernard Ponce to please be the one to lead us in prayer. Once again, Sir Bernard Ponce. Everybody, manatili po tayong nakatayo.
Tumakder nga rodami na po, tayong tayag kararag. Tinagantiyama anak, Espiritu Santo, Amen. Bendisyonan niyo po, dagito'y duwang agkasangay, ni Gina, ken ni Rusi. Ta umatatidog pa ya po, ti panagbiagda, tapno dado ti matulungan da nga tao. Alay nga dagiti gayem dano diket, amin-amin na po nga dumawat itulong kanyada. Bendisyonan niyo meta po, dahito yung pagtaingan. Bendisyonan niyo po, dagiti sangsangaili nga datata ditoy, nga nagapupay ti adayong lugar. Tapno ti kasta, matenderan dalaing datoy golden ken duwa nga golden. Advance laang ije maysa. So, bulan ti February po, kadatay amin na po, Happy Valentine's to all. Hello? Okay. Bendisyonan niyo meta po, dagiti tarapon nga naisagana, nga agserbi, nga pagbiag tayo, iti bagi, ken iraman tayo meta na po, nga ikarkararagan, dagiti gayem tayo, nga napanen iti sabali nga lugar. Ket sapay kumapo, tada ito yung okasyon, ket naragsak tayo amin na isang sangayan, tadyo ko nakon, Valentine's Day. Digito ya po, tidawaten mi, gapumet laing ken Kristo, nga po mi, Amen. Nagantyama, Anak, Espiritu Santo, Amen.
All right, thank you so much. Let us all be seated. Thank you so much once again, Sir Bernard. And now, ladies and gentlemen, you might observe that right under that prayer, we have also, of course, our food being blessed already. So again, just for a moment, ladies and gentlemen, before we partake of our Santos meal, tatapusin lang po natin some few ceremonial parts in celebration, of course, of the 51st and 50th celebration of Ma'am Gina and Ma'am Rosie. This time earlier, of course, nakita na po natin ang mga pinakamamahal na anak din po, of course, of Ma'am Gina. So this time, we'd like to call on back Mr. Eugene and Mr. Giovanni to give us, well, of course, some words para po kay Ma'am Gina and Ma'am Rosie. It's now high time for you, of course, to express your warmest gratitude to them and also, of course, message of love. Palakpakan po natin Mr. Eugene and Mr. Giovanni. A resounding round of applause.
Mami Rosie and Mama Gina, happy birthday. Thank you for all your support. Sana mas marami pang birthday ang celebrate nyo. Yun lang.
Thank you so much, Mr. Giovanni. Short and simple, but of course, full of love. Thank you so much. And this time, let's hear it from Mr. Eugene. Palakpakan din po natin.
Mama, Mami, happy Valentine's first of all. Sabay ko mata, agananos kay lata kanyami. Ay agananos kay lata. Happy birthday. I love you both.
Yon. Ano yung last part? Ano yon? Thank you so much. And so these, of course, these messages wouldn't be completed without the one, of course, who is, of course, the primary reason kung bakit nandito at sineselebrate natin, Ma'am Gina and Ma'am Rosie. So this time, I'd like to call on the most beloved father of our dearest celebrators, ladies and gentlemen, a resounding round of applause for Mr. Saturnino Racuya. Palakpakan din po natin. Our former barangay captain, syempre. Alright. Sir Saturnino, we'd love to have you also here upang ipagkaloob din ang message mo sa iyong mga pinakamamahal na anak. Eto na. One of the most touching moments, of course, are the messages. Alright, palakpakan naman po natin, Mr. Saturnino Racuya.
Natibagak, sir. Happy birthday, anak! Kan sapay ko mata. Tuloy-tuloy lang, di pa ng tenyo te allowance. Diyan lang. Thank you.
Yeah, very practical. Doon tayo sa totoo kasi. Doon tayo legit, ganon. I just love it. You see how jolly yung pamilyang ito. Ano? Thank you so much. And of course, with their love and support and with their continued guidance as well, alam ko po na, of course, si Sir Saturnino ang ganyan. Hanggang sa pagkakataong ito, of course, truly guiding pa din po si Ma'am Gina and Ma'am Rosie. And so this time, as we get to proceed, of course, and as we get to continue, why don't we get also to witness a profound gesture of love? Batid ko po na kahit papaano ay nais din pong pasalamatan ng ating mga celebrators. May of course the nephews and also ang anak. So this time we'd like to invite once again Mr. Eugene and Mr. Giovanni. This time we'd like to ask Mr. Eugene, you're going to dance with Ma'am Gina, and Mr. Giovanni, you're also going to dance with Ma'am Rosie. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ang sayaw together of course with the siblings, together of course with the children and the nephews. And once again, Mr. Giovanni, you will be dancing with Ma'am Rosie. Dito po tayo sa gitna.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be unseen? For I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big hand once again for Mr. Eugene and Mr. Giovanni. Might as well to our dearest Ma'am Gina and Ma'am Rosie. Thank you so much for joining them right here on the dance floor. And so this time, ituloy-tuloy na po natin. And I know, of course, that our celebrators would really wanted to express as well their deepest gratitude to the one who raised them and to the one who brought them to life, as for what I have mentioned earlier. And so I guess, Siguro ay maya-maya na lamang po that moment where of course our celebrators will get to dance together with their father. So maya-maya lamang po yan. Maya-maya na po siyempre. I know they truly missed this one because they weren't able of course to celebrate their 18th birthday this way. Kaya naman talagang hinahabol natin na. Alright, so bago po tayo kumain ladies and gentlemen, since na-bless na din po ang ating food earlier, so before we get to dig in on our food, kailangan muna nating pagurin ang ating mga sarili. Isa po munang dance for all tayo bago tayo kumain. So this time, can we have another set of balse? Ano pong gusto nyong sayaw? Cha-cha, balse, tango, or ano?
Dancing Queen daw.
Dance, yes, the dancing queens, and of course, calling all the dancing queens together up right here. We have our queens right here, Ma'am Zina and Ma'am Rosie. Let's get to join them. Come on, everybody. Let's see the dancing queen.
Okay, come on everybody!
Come on, everybody. Friends, relatives, come on, let's go. Let's give this moment to our queens, so join them. We'd like to call on Team Greece, Team Sweden, Team Cyprus. Let's go.
You can just
And of course, Team Lantag. Asan kayo?
Oh, see that girl. Watch her sing, dear dancing queen. Friday night and the lights are low, looking out for a place to go. Heard to play the right music, getting in the street. You come to look for a day.
Come on.
Everybody can
The guests of Ma'am Rosie from Sweden and Greece. Let's go.
The music's high.
With a bit of rock music, everything is fine. You're in the mood for our dance.
Come on. Come on, move forward, everybody, move forward. You have to occupy the dance floor. Let's go. Yes.
Young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Oh yeah,
You can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Oh, see that girl, watch her sing, see the dancing queen.
Yes. I'm feeling the sense in the age of 18. Parang mga 18 years old tayo, no? I just love the vibes when it's got to turn out like this. Let's go. Tuloy-tuloy natin. Walang matanda ngayong araw na ito. Lahat tayo bata. Let's go.
and when you get that chance, you are the dancing queen.
Feel the vibes. Feel the music. Yes. Come on, Ma'am Zina. Come on, Ma'am Rosie.
Feel the beat from the tambourine. Oh yeah,
You can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Oh, see that girl, watch that sing, sing the dancing queen.
yeah. Okay, so keep on dancing. Another requested song, Cha-Cha daw po.
Alright, let's go, let's go. Tuloy-tuloy natin. Bago tayo kumain, kailangan mapagod muna. Let's do the cha-cha.
Okay, alam nyo itong partner yo.
Just for all. Para po sa mga mahilig sa atras, ang bande. Sige!
Sige na!
Let's go! Cha-cha!
Sige! When my rubber rhythm starts to play, dance with me and make me sway. Like a lazy horse in have to chew. Hold me close and sway me more. Like the power punching in the breeze. Bear with me, sway with ease. When we dance, you have a way with me. Stay with me, sway with me. Yeah, other dancers may be
Isip mo, ay, may pagano'n pala tayo. Gusto niyo yung pag-glide pa ba ha?
The magic technique. When we sway, I go weak. I can hear the sounds of violin long before and
No one's gonna become a sign here tonight. Lahat po ako ang gumikap nila. Come on, Ma'am Rosie, don't give up!
Cha-cha! Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
Other dancers may be on the floor. There but my eyes will see only you. Only you have the magic technique. When we sway, I go weak. I can hear the sounds of violence long before it begins.
Cha-cha!
Baby, thrill us only you know how.
You know how.
Sway me, sway me now. When my rumba rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like a lazy horse in empty swing. Hold me close and sway me more.
Sa paghigali!
Like a power painting
Pag
in the
pinagpawisan,
breeze.
mas madaming
When
makakain,
with
mas
me, sway
masaya!
with me. When we dance, you have a way with me. Just stay with me, stay with me.
Alright. There you go. Once again, pakalakpakan mga kaibigan. Grabe yon. Pagod na kayo. Alam kong gutom na kayo nang dahil doon. Grabe yung pawis. Grabe yung energy. Ang saya. That's the way we wanted it to be. So this time, before we get to proceed, of course, in partaking our sumptuous meal, let me just then remind everyone, and of course, right before, a special part of this, I'd like to remind you sa pagkain po natin maya-maya, this portion, of course, right here at the northern portion, southern portion of our reception, ito pong lamesa na ito, hanggang doon po, dito po tayo papila. What? On this part, the northern part of our reception, dito po lahat po, those who are seated right here, dito po tayo kukuha ng ating mga pagkain. And those, of course, nakasama natin na nasa bandang likuran, may buffet area din po tayo dyan, dyan na din po tayo kukuha ng pagkain maya-maya, saan lamang po? Sa malapit lamang po sa gate natin. Pero bago tayo kumain, simulan na natin po muna. Bumunot po muna tayo, of course, ng isa sa ating mga lucky winner who will get to take home 500 pesos! Alright, ang tari ng ano natin, ano? Yung naging sex bambinos tayo dito kaagad, ano? Alright, we have your sex bambinos. Wala po tayong pagiling-luningning saan. Alright, please do the honor, Mamang Lloyd, to please. Of course, the luck of you guys lies on the hand of Mamang Lloyd. Congratulations, our first winner! Again, ulitin ko lamang po, pag wala po sila sa loob ng 5 segundo, forfeited po ang prize, bawal po ang proxy, kailangan mismo ang tao ang pumunta dito. The first winner of 500 pesos is a female, babae. Are you girl? Alright, babae! Siya po ay walang iba kundi si Ma'am Mirna Corpus! Ma'am Mirna Corpus, I'll be counting 5. Pag wala po, forfeit. Ayun, si Ma'am Mirna! Gandang tari ng mga ngiting-ngiting 500 pesos tayo, ano? Ayun, di ba? Ang saya. Dumalo ka lang, nag-register ka lang, agad-agad may 500 pesos ka na agad, Ma'am Mirna. Alright. At bago naman po yan, Ma'am Mirna, dito ka muna, Ma'am. Nagmamadali ka ba? Alright, Ma'am Mirna, of course, a short message naman po for Ma'am Gina and Ma'am Rosie.
Happy birthday, Gina and Rosie. More blessings. God bless.
Thank you so much. At isa ka po sa mga nambudan din ng ating mga blessings from our dear celebrators. Congratulations. And more to go maya-maya. Mas malaki pa po ang ipagkakalob natin. So please stay still until the end part. So again, kanina po, we have already the foods already blessed by Sir. Na-bless na po kanina yung food natin. So maaari na po tayong pumila at kumuha na po ng ating mga pagkain. Alright, so ang gagawin pa din po natin, per table pa din po tayo. The one closest to our buffet, sila na po ang mauna. So again, to maintain order pa din po. Again, right on this part, simulan po natin on the back table po, yung pinakalikod po natin. Tayo po ang unang pipila. Pwede na po tayong tumuyo at kumuha ng ating food. Alright? So again, dito po tayo sa likod para mas organized lang po tayo to maintain orderliness as well. Again, sa mga bisita po natin na naandyan sa bandang likuran, may buffet po tayo sa ating entrance area. So you may also partake now our foods, our sumptuous meals. Again, while pumipila po ang iba and while some are now enjoying. Alright, ulitin ko lamang po to maintain order. Wag po tayong sabay-sabay na tatayo ha. Ulitin ko lamang po, let's follow still the order of your tables. That goes along as well on this part. Let's just follow, of course, pag ganun po yung tables pa natin para mas organized at mas maayos lamang po ang ating buffet areas. So again, this time habang nasa pila po ang iba, ituloy-tuloy na natin ang mga gandang musika na ipagkakalob sa atin ng Sweet Blend Band. Palakpakan naman po natin the one and the only, the amazing Sweet Blend Band! Yes!
Yan, sa request po ng ating birthday celebrants, mga masasayang tugtugin daw po. Yan, so habang kumakain po kayo, nag-upbeat po kami dito. And once again, we are the Sweet Blend, Mr. Narvi Dasal and Mr. and Mrs. Starda Duo. Yan, so once again, happy birthday po, Ma'am Gina and Ma'am Rosie. And we have also the Alios Sisters Dancers all the way from Agoo and Rosario, La Union.
even know me, I love you. Oh, my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Yeah, rise on to fight if the answer is no. Oh, my sweetness means you meet me in the hallway. Rise on to fight means you ain't got a show. If you look at the window tonight, pull on the swing with a note that touch you my heart. Read how many times I saw you, how in my silence you told you. Only in my dreams is that what between us come apart. Oh, my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Rise on to fight if the answer is no. Oh, my sweetness means you meet me in the hallway. Rise on to fight means you ain't got a show. I can hear her music playing, I can feel her body swaying. Well, one floor below me, you don't even know me, I love you. Oh, my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me. Yeah, rise on to fight if the answer is no. Oh, my sweetness means you meet me in the hallway. Yeah, rise on to fight means you ain't gonna show.
The stars won't come out if they know that you're about. Yes, they couldn't match the glow of your eyes. And oh, who am I? Just an ordinary guy trying hard to win me first prize. Oh, my Candida, we can make it together. The farther from here go, the better. Where the air is fresh and clean. Oh, my Candida, just take my hand and I will lead ya. I promise that life will be sweeter, 'cause it said so in my dreams. The future looks bright. That gypsy told me so last night. Said she saw my children playing in the sunshine. And there were you and I in a house, baby, all night. And all the stairs were yours and they were mine.
Oh, my Candida,
We
made for me. We come from miles around to hear them play a melody. When it just starts, my 10 guitars will play a song for you. And if you're with the one you love, this is what you do. Oh, dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars. And very soon you'll know just where you are. Through the eyes of love you'll see 1,000 stars. When you dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars. Guitars are made for love, my band of band. And always say to give him all the eager. And they will start to play. Then it just starts, my 10 guitars will play a song for you. And if you will want you love, this is what you do. Oh, dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars. And very soon you'll know just where you are. With the eyes of love you'll see 1,000 stars. When you dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars. One more time. Oh, dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars. And very soon you'll know just where you are. With the eyes of love you'll see 1,000 stars. When you dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars. Dance, dance, dance to my 10 guitars.
Where it began, I can't begin to know it, but I know it's growing strong. Was in the spring, the spring became the summer. Oh, I believe you've come along. Hands, touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, your touch never seems so low. I'm feeling like to believe they never were. Look at tonight, and don't seem so lonely. We filled up with only two. And when I heard hurting runs up my shoulders, how can I hurt when holding you? One, touching one, reaching out, touching me, touching you.
Sweet Caroline,
Your times never seem so good. I'm feeling inclined to believe they never were. No, 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 sweet Caroline.
once again, the Ellie Sisters, the original from Abu and Rosario La Union.
Once again, another song by Kenny Rogers and Dolly Parton, Island in the Stream.
Baby, when I met you, there was peace and no. I set up to get you in and find you calm. I was so inside, there was something going on. You did something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer and I feel no pain. Every beat of my heart, we get something going on. Tender love is blind, it requires a dedication. All this love we feel, it's no conversation. We're riding together, making love with each other, Islands in the swing, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another.
How can we live without you if the love was gone? Everything is nothing, you got no warning, you just walk up tonight. Really losing sight of the real thing.
But that what happened to us and we got no doubt. Too deep in love and we got no way out. And to match you sleep, this should be the year for the real thing.
No more will you cry,
Baby, I will hurt you never. We started again as one. In love forever we can ride together, making love with each other, Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other, from one lover to another, Sail away.
sail away with me, oh baby.
Islands in the spring, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other, from one lover to another, one more time. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other, from one lover to another, from one lover to another, see paradise. This world that I found, it's too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want too much to give you this love in my heart that I feel. If this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I'm so here with you. Take it to the good times, see it through the bad times. Whatever it takes is what I'm gonna do.
Let the say crazy. What do they know? Put your arms around me, baby. Don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it. Make our heart to heart, and we can build this thing together. Standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. Ooh, all that I need is you. All that I ever need.
Alright, so this time, while we are